Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix Chrome and unresponsive pages error. So, if you ever have this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go close any application running on the background. For example, as you can see, I have multiple Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge open up in my Windows. So just simply close them out and make sure there are no background or running into your system, or you could go for the hidden trace over here and close any application that are running in the background. Now, if the errors still occur, it means that your Chrome has too much data in it. So to clear this out or make your Chrome much faster, select the three dots on the top right corner, and then you could go ahead and go through the settings down below over here. Now, here on the settings, go for the privacy and security, and you could just simply go for delete browsing data. So from here, the data that consumes the most, and the cookies and other site data, and the cache images and files. So from here, the other option is just optional if you want to delete the download history and the browsing history as well. And if you want to expand, select show more over here, and you can select other categories as well. But the most important thing is this two. And now from here, select all time over here. So guys, when you delete this data over here down below, it will delete everything and it will reset your Chrome and make it much more faster. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.